Hello, subscribers of Bright. My name is Jimmy Sparopoulos. I am a customer success coach here with Bright MLS. And today I want to show you how you can create a list for a farm when you're targeting expired listings. So I had an office hours the other day. And if you're not familiar with office hours, that's where you can meet with anyone from my team for a 15-minute screen share. You can actually access that by going to the education and going to schedule live coaching. But I met with an agent who was looking to get a list of homeowners who had expired in the system. She wanted to create a farm and reach out to those individuals. So I'm going to show you how you can do that today. So we're going to create a quick search. We're going to go into residential sale. And for my example, I'm just going to use the county of Montgomery here in Maryland. So I've got my area. And I'm going to go ahead and deselect my um, defaults, and I'm going to go to expired. And then I'm going to go back 365. Okay, so we're going to look back a year. Now, if you're going this far back, certainly look and cross-reference to make sure those properties haven't gone back on the market and then sold after it was expired. You certainly don't want to waste marketing dollars sending information out to individuals who maybe have relisted their homes. But this is just what I'm doing for my example today. So I'm going to come in here and I'm going to click on my results tab. Right. And so we've got 1,003 matches. So I want to get all this information. So I'm going to go over here to the all and click on that. We can see that we've got all of those 1,003 contacts selected. I'm going to come down here to my export tab. And what I'm going to do is then choose my export file format. And we're going to scroll all the way down to public records. Okay. Once we've done that, we're going to click on export. You can see that my file has exported. I'm going to go into my download folder, select that. Let's see, where did it pop up? There we go. All right. So now I have my CSV file. Generally, when you're sending out mailers, I know a lot of folks use third-party systems, and so having the CSV file that you can send to that company that you're working with makes your life a lot easier. You're probably gonna have to clean it up a little bit just to get rid of some of these columns that won't be necessary. But you've got your information, right? You got your owner name, you got the property address, so on and so forth, right? I would take caution and look at line G, right? So property do not mail. So there's a do not mail registry and a do not mail list, right? So you can see owner do not mail, property do not mail. If you see a no, I would just go ahead and make sure you're taking them off there, right? Just come in and delete that file. So just go through, make sure that no one here in column G has a no, and then you're good to go. So now you can start farming out to those individuals, and maybe creating yourself a new listing lead right there. So I hope you found this information useful today. If there's anything that we can do to help as a team, please reach out to us. Again, you can schedule time to meet with any one of us by going to the education tab and clicking on schedule live coaching. You can schedule a 15-minute screen share with anyone from my team and ask any questions that are Bright related. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.